Training a Belgian Malinois for bite work requires a careful, controlled approach to ensure safety for both the dog and handler. These dogs are known for their intelligence, energy, and drive, making them ideal for this kind of training when done right. Start by ensuring your dog is well socialized and obedient before diving into bite work. This foundation is crucial because it helps the dog understand commands and expectations during training. Begin with basic obedience drills, focusing on commands like sit, stay, and heel. This ensures the dog is under control and ready for more intense exercises. Ready for better behavior and easier training sessions? Get your free guide in the description. Next, use a bite sleeve or tug toy to introduce your dog to the concept of bite work. Never use your hands directly as targets, as this can confuse the dog or cause injury. Start with short, positive sessions, rewarding the dog when it successfully bites and holds onto the sleeve. Always ensure you're using proper equipment, like a high-quality bite sleeve or bite suit, to protect both you and the dog. As the dog progresses, increase the difficulty by introducing controlled distractions, such as movement or noise. This will teach your Malinois to focus even in challenging environments. However, always monitor their stress levels. Bite work can be intense, and it's essential to keep sessions short and balanced to avoid overworking the dog. Finally, ensure you're consistent with rewards and corrections. Positive reinforcement, such as treats or play, will motivate your Malinois to perform tasks accurately. On the other hand, gentle corrections are necessary if the dog shows signs of aggression or misunderstanding. Safety is the key throughout the training. Always use protective gear and keep the dog's well-being as a top priority. With patience, your Belgian Malinois will excel in bite work while remaining safe and well-adjusted.